To add a credit card to LinkedIn Ads, start by logging into your LinkedIn Ads account and navigating to the billing section. This is where you will manage your payment methods and update your billing information. First, click on the Ads option in the top navigation bar. Then select the billing option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Billing Manager page where you can view and edit your billing information. Next, click on the Payment Methods option and then click on the Add Payment Method button. This will prompt you to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with your payment. After entering your credit card details, click on the Add button to save the payment method. Your credit card will now be added to your LinkedIn Ads account and you can use it to pay for your ads. It is also a good idea to set up automatic payments to ensure that your ads continue to run without any interruptions. To do this, go to the Billing Settings option and select the Automatic Payments option. This will allow LinkedIn to charge your credit card automatically when your ads are running. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to your LinkedIn Ads account and start running your ads. It is also important to keep your billing information up to date to avoid any issues with your payments. Best practices for managing your LinkedIn Ads billing include regularly reviewing your billing information, keeping your credit card details up to date, and monitoring your ad spend to ensure that you are staying within your budget. By following these best practices and keeping your billing information up to date, you can ensure that your LinkedIn Ads campaigns run smoothly and effectively, helping you to achieve your marketing goals.